In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a wireframe in Figma. Wireframing is one of the first steps in the design process, and it helps you plan layout, structure, and content before worrying about colors or visuals. First, open Figma and create a new file. Once you're inside the canvas, start by adding a frame. You can do this by pressing the F key on your keyboard or selecting the Frame tool from the top toolbar. From the right panel, choose a device size like desktop, tablet, or mobile, depending on what you're designing. Now, think of the frame as your screen layout. To build the wireframe, start adding basic shapes. Use rectangles for sections like headers, sidebars, images, and content blocks. You can press R to quickly draw rectangles. Keep everything simple and clean. At this stage, you're not designing, you're just planning. Next, add text placeholders. Press T to add text and use simple labels like header, button, or image here. Don't worry about fonts or styling. Most wireframes use basic fonts and low contrast, so the focus stays on structure and layout. Next, align your elements properly. Use Figma's alignment tools and smart guides to space everything evenly. If you want to speed things up, you can group elements or use auto layout to keep sections consistent. A common wireframing tip is to use grayscale colors only. Light gray for backgrounds, darker gray for text and buttons. This helps avoid distractions and keeps the focus on layout and user flow. As you build, think about how a user would move through the screen. Where does the eye go first? What action should they take next? Adjust spacing and placement until the flow feels natural. Once your wireframe is done, you can duplicate frames to create multiple screens, like Home, About, or Contact pages. This helps you map out the full user experience. And that's it. You've just created a wireframe in Figma. Simple, fast, and very effective for planning designs before moving into high-fidelity UI. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy Figma tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.